Chief Executive of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region Carrie Lam said on Tuesday that activities to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Hong Kong's return to the motherland will resume as the COVID-19 outbreak in Hong Kong has been on a downward trend. Lam said that the Leisure and Cultural Services Department of the Hong Kong SAR government will host a wealth of cultural, arts, recreational and sports programs to celebrate with the public the 25th anniversary of the establishment of the Hong Kong SAR on July 1st.
今年係回歸祖國25週年，係一個非常之重要嘅日子，尤其是經過咗過去5年，喺中央嘅大力支持之下呢，我哋回到一國兩制嘅正確軌道。咁所以今年我哋為慶祝25週年製作嘅主題曲嘅曲名呢，係一個字嘅啫，就係前。
According to the official data, Hong Kong on Tuesday registered 89 new COVID-19 cases by nucleic acid tests, and 161 additional cases through self-reported rapid antigen tests.